Hello guys, welcome back to Algots. In this video, we are going to discuss the question intersecting chords in a circle. So let's see what the question is. In this question, we are given A chords, or we can say that we are given 2 into A points, and we have to tell how many ways we can draw the chords such that no two are intersecting. No two chords are intersecting. So let's see with the help of an example. Suppose if A is equals to 1, then there is only one possible case in which we can draw the chords. Suppose A is equals to 2, then we see that we can draw the chords like this, or we can draw the chords like this, but we cannot draw the chords like this because in this way they are intersecting. So let's see for a larger value of A how we can develop an answer. So suppose A is equals to 3, or we can say that we have 6 points. So let's see what will be the cases for this. This is the circle and these are the 6 points on this circle. So if we join these 2 points, then in how many ways we can join the remaining points? In the left side, we see that we have to join 2 points. So we can make a recursive call for the left part in which we will get the answer for joining 2 points. In the right side, we have 2 points. So we can see that we can recursively call for the right side also, and we can get the answer for joining these 2 points. As we have calculated earlier that for 2 points the number of cases are 1, so the answer we will get is 1. Now suppose if we join these 2 points initially, then what will be the answer? We can see that the number of points in the left part of this chord are 0, so we will recursively ask the answer from the left part, and in the right part of this chord there are 4 points, so we will recursively ask the answer for the 4 points. And we have calculated this earlier also that for drawing 2 chords or having 4 points we get 2 ways. So the answer for this will be 1 into 2 is equals to 2 ways. Now if we join these 2 points initially, then what will be the answer? It will be the answer of 4 points from the left side and answer of 0 from the left side, from the right side. So answer for this case will be 2. Now what if we join these points? In this case we can see that there is only one point on the left side, and to join this point with any other point, suppose this, we will intersect with our initial choice. So we can conclude that if we have an odd number of points on any of the side, the answer for that case will be 0. So the final answer for joining 6 points will be 1 from this case, 2 from this case, and 2 from this case. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 5 ways. So let's see how we have calculated this for getting the answer for n points. So we have iterated over, we have considered that there are 0 points in the left side, 2, we have n minus 2 points on the left side. Here we have 0 points, here we have 2 points, and here we have 4 points on the left side. And recursively we have asked the answer for I points on the left side and n minus 2 minus I points on the right side. I is even. because for when the number of points on any of the side is odd, the answer will give 0. So let's generate the recursion tree for this approach. Suppose we have asked the answer for 6 points. Then in the first case, it will ask the answer for 0 points on the left side and 4 points on the right side. For 4 points, it will again go into recursion and ask for 0 points on the left side and 2 points on the right side. And in the second case, it will go for 2 points in the left side and 0 points in the right side. In the second case for this, it will ask for 2 points in the left side and 2 points in the right side. In the third case, 4 points in the left side and 0 points in the right side. And in the sub cases for 4, we have 0 points in the left side and 2 points in the right side, 2 points on the left side and 0 points in the right side. As we can clearly say is that there are overlapping subproblems in this recursion tree. So we can use memoization. We will store the answer for already calculated states, and in this way we can reduce the complexity of our algorithm. So let's see the complexity of this algorithm after memoization. For I points, we need answer for I by 2 cases, or if we consider there are 2 I points, we need I cases, and I is equal to the number of chords, the number of chords. So for 2 we have 2 cases, for 3 chords we have 3 cases, for 4 chords we have 4 cases, for 5 chords we have 5 cases, and in this way for I chords the complexity will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 2 up to I. So we can say that the complexity will be I square, or we can say that if number of chords is equals to n, then it is O of n square. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have any doubt you can ask us in the comment section, and we have also given the code for a reference in the description box.